The role of fathers in child development has been a subject of growing interest and research over the past few decades. Traditionally, fathers were often viewed as secondary caregivers, with primary responsibility for child rearing falling to mothers. However, emerging evidence highlights the critical impact that fathers have on their children's emotional, cognitive, and social development. This reflection explores the significance of father involvement in child upbringing, drawing on findings from peer-reviewed studies and examples that emphasize the father's unique contributions to a child's life. Cognitive and academic development. Fathers play a pivotal role in their children's cognitive development, influencing academic achievement and intellectual growth. Research have found that paternal involvement in early childhood significantly predicted better academic performance, higher IQ scores, and greater cognitive ability during adolescence. Fathers tend to engage with children in ways that are different from mothers, often focusing on play, problem-solving, and teaching independence. This type of interaction, particularly when fathers engage in activities that challenge their children intellectually, can foster critical thinking skills and a love for learning. For example, fathers who read to their children, particularly when they engage in interactive discussions around the text, help develop language skills. Moreover, fathers' involvement in homework, discussions about education, or the pursuit of hobbies such as science and art can stimulate curiosity and a growth mindset. These behaviors not only support academic success, but also promote a positive attitude toward education. Emotional and social development. The emotional and social dimensions of child development are profoundly impacted by a father's presence and engagement. Research shows that children who have involved fathers are more likely to exhibit better emotional regulation, higher self-esteem, and healthier relationships with peers. Fathers provide a unique source of emotional support that complements the caregiving role of mothers. A father's involvement in a child's life can enhance their sense of security, emotional stability, and social competence. For example, in a study, it was shown that children who grew up with engaged fathers showed higher levels of emotional intelligence, including empathy and the ability to manage their emotions. Fathers often model different forms of emotional expression, offering children a broader understanding of how to handle social interactions and conflicts. Fathers also play a crucial role in gender identity and social behavior. Boys and girls benefit from observing positive male role models who demonstrate respect, responsibility, and emotional expressiveness. The father-child relationship can guide a child's understanding of gender roles and expectations, contributing to their overall social development. Fatherhood and behavioral outcomes. A significant body of research suggests that father involvement reduces the likelihood of negative behavioral outcomes in children. For instance, father absence or disengagement has been associated with higher rates of delinquency, substance abuse, and mental health issues in adolescence. Conversely, active fathering has been linked to fewer behavioral problems and greater emotional resilience. A study found that children who had regular contact with their fathers, even in divorced or separated families, were less likely to experience issues like depression or conduct disorders. Fathers who engage in consistent communication and emotional support help buffer children against the stresses of adolescence, contributing to better long-term mental health outcomes. Take-home messages. The role of fathers in child upbringing is multifaceted and influential in numerous aspects of child development. From cognitive and academic achievement to emotional regulation and social competence, fathers contribute to a well-rounded upbringing. As research continues to demonstrate, fathers' active involvement is not only beneficial but essential for the holistic development of children. Moving beyond traditional roles, modern fatherhood emphasizes active engagement in all facets of child rearing, shaping future generations for the better. Do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. We will bring you authentic research-based information. Share with families that may benefit. Thanks for watching.